Hi, hello, hello, hello. What is up, everyone? I'm up with a book haul, like as you can tell by the title. Well, if you have watched my book fair vlog, book fair, yeah, the book fair vlog, then you may probably know about these books, how I ended up buying this many books. Well, this is the first time. I mean, I never have I ever bought this many books in my life. I always loved reading. I love reading. I frequently buy books, but not this many books. I mean, I might have went a bit crazy, I would say. But anyways, I'm excited that I have bought quite lots of books. So I'm just so excited to make the haul and then start reading. I already started reading this one, Variety by Colleen Hoover, and I can tell I'm already obsessed with her writing style. How she I don't know how to explain. Anyways, I really love how she writes, and her books are really amazing. So let me do a quick haul and then I will tell you more maybe. Alright, so from the store I have ended up buying 3 books, like as you can tell already. 2 of them from Colleen Hoover and 1 is from Taylor Jenkins Reid. Okay, so first one is Variety. I'm already reading this one. I mean, anyway, so I'm just moving on to the next book. This one is Confess by Colleen Hoover, like as you can tell, and its synopsis is really short one. So it says, Urban Read an exceptional style, Colleen Hoover delivers once again a deeply moving story about how true love and family are ties that can never be broken, which is great, which sounds really great and interesting, and I cannot wait to read them all up. As soon as I finish them, I will be buying even more books, because not a book nerd, but I love reading. You may probably know, if you know me in person, you may probably know that how much I love reading. So anyways, next up is this one, The 7 Husbands of Evelyn Hugo, Taylor Jenkins Reid, and synopsis is okay. So it says no one is more astounded than I'm not sure if this is just this section is the synopsis or I need to read the anyways, never mind. So this is the third and final one from third and final book that I bought from store, and now I'll be unboxing and doing all of the books that I ended up buying at the book fair. I have not yet unboxed it since I have got back home, because I couldn't make time, or I could have actually unboxed it, but I wanted to do it on camera with you, which is why I didn't do it. Anyway, so let's start what we have here. Okay, so first book we have here, like as you can tell, this one, Gone Girl by Jillian. Next up we have Jodi Picoult, Living Time. Let me show you. Hopefully you can see properly. Anyways, so well, I have never read Jodi Picoult before. I was eyeing many books from her at the book fair, so I thought to pick it up just randomly. Like I said, I never read any book by her. So Living Time, I'm excited to give it a read, and it says, that's the synopsis, that's what it says about this book. So sounds interesting. interesting. What did I say? Sounds interesting anyway. So I'm excited to give it a read, and I'm excited. Like I said, I was seeing many books by Judy Picoult at the book fair, and I never tried her book before. So I'm quite excited to give it a read and see how she writes and all that. So, alright, next. Okay, next up we have The Family Upstairs. Like here, The Family Upstairs. One house, two families, three bodies. Lisa J. Will. J. Will. I never read any books. I never read any books by Lisa J. Will before. This is the new writer for me too, as well. Like these two one. Well, I love reading. I used to love very frequently, but at the fiction categories, and I thought to give it a try to end up buying, and I ended up buying many categories books. Like this one is thrilling, seems to be like that. Be careful who you let in a large house in London. It's interesting, sounds thrill, so it's a thrill category, and yeah, I'm excited to give it a read. I'm excited to finish it up as soon as I can, but definitely I'm not rushing myself to finish the books I have bought. I'm excited to give it a read. I don't know how to make a book haul, but anyways, I'm just trying my best. Anyways. The next one is The White Queen, Philippa Gregory. Let me show you. Anyway, so sounds interesting, and yeah, I'm excited to give this a read. Okay, so next up we have Ruth Jones, Never Greener. Okay, so this one is the next. Ruth Jones, Never Greener. I'm excited to give this a read. I can already tell because I love the cover. It's pinkish. I really loved it. Looks so cute. So let me read the synopsis so we can both know the story. I mean, not know the story, but at least get a glimpse. Okay, so it says the past. This book, this synopsis just had me already. I mean, I can tell, oh my gosh, this is what this synopsis really just had me already. I so loved the synopsis, and by the synopsis I can already tell that I'm reading this one first. Like I said, I started reading variety already, like like I just said. So after I finish this one, I'm definitely picking this up because this literally had me. Oh my gosh, I love this synopsis, so I cannot wait to start reading this one by Ruth Jones. Oh my gosh, seems like I would love reading Ruth Jones even more than this book. I cannot tell because you cannot tell by reading a synopsis, but as of now, this literally had me. I can tell, so I'm definitely starting it up next after variety. Alright, so next up we have them, like a series. All of these three, 1, 2, 3, like as you can read, all of them together makes a trilogy, and since I found them all, so I thought how about to pick them all up all at once, so I will have that series, and luckily I have the series. I got all of them, I mean 3 of them, and now I have a complete trilogy of 50 Shades of Grey. I never ever read any book by E.L. James. Neither have I ever read 50 Shades of Grey before. I have read a lot of reviews. Many have liked them, many have disliked them. But anyways, there are all, you will always get controversies. I mean, I don't know. I just thought that since I have them, I mean, all of 3 pieces, 3 books, so I just thought to give it a try and read them all up and see how all the fusses about these 50 Shades of Grey, because they are really popular, like very popular, I would say. So I was quite excited to pick them all up, and yeah, I finally picked them up. Like, I don't know what I'm saying, but anyways, I'm really excited because, like I said, like you may probably know that 50 Shades of Grey is really very popular book series, popular reads. But unfortunately or fortunately, I don't know, but anyways, I never ever read this book before, so I'm excited. Let me tell you. First part is 50 Shades of Grey, then second part is 50 Shades Darker, and the third part is 50 Shades Freed. So these are the three books that makes a trilogy that I luckily made myself buy, which is great because I'm excited to give them a read because they are really popular and I have never ever read them before, so I'm excited. And I will share book review every time I finish reading a book, but not in this haul definitely. This video meant to be a separate video, not a book review video but a book haul video. But yeah, with that being said, let's just end the vlog or video here. I really hope you enjoyed watching, enjoyed checking all the books up and all that. If you did, please be sure to subscribe my channel, thumbs up the video, and I will catch you in my next video. Till then, take care, bye.